Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. I decided to do a Halloween look for you guys. And what we have here is a mermaid. You know, mermaids are hot right now, but mermaids have always been hot. Hey, I loved mermaids back, in Ariel days. And I decided, you know what the heck, let's tackle the mermaid and see what we can do. So this was a really cool, fun tutorial. I think that in the end, I would like to call this an Elsa mermaid or something of that effect, because it's kind of a little bit of glam combined with mermaid. But this is a really easy thing to do. Really, all you need is a stocking, a fishnet stocking, and you can make scales of your very own that are just like this. So if you want to check out this tutorial and look, keep watching. I've got everything ready and I'm so excited for this mermaid look. I have fishnets to make our scales. I've got a bag of gems here to, gemify my face with, because that's what mermaids do, right? And then I've got this Coastal Scents palette. This is the 88 Ultra Shimmer Eyeshadow palette. You ready for this? Are you ready for this? All shimmer, all day long. So I have this palette in regular matte and also in the shimmer. So this is gonna be perfect for what we're doing today. Oh man, and I just broke a piece off of it. Oh well. So I have some other things that I wanna try too. I picked up these guys. They're called Glam by Melanie Mills Body Radiance. They're basically a liquid shimmer, if you can see that. And when you apply it to the skin, it's just like this really cool shimmery sheen. So I'm gonna use these today too as another fun thing. I'm also gonna be whipping out some EK shimmery glittery colors. It looks like my liquid sugar leaked a little bit, but I have just enough in there, hopefully, to do a little bit of shimmer touch up with this stuff. This was a whole little kit, came with the brush and this whole thing, so we'll work with it. All right, so let's get started. Let's turn into a mermaid. So I'm gonna start with my usual skincare routine. I'm gonna throw on moisturizer, prime my eyes, prime my face, and we're gonna start with the eyes first. Okay, so we're primed and ready to start with the eyes. I really want to use a vibrant pink, purple, and blue for this mermaid look, so I'm actually gonna throw a little bit of concealer onto my eyelids before I get started. I'm also going to use both the shimmer and the matte versions of the palette that I showed you at the beginning with all of the colors. The matte to kind of build a base and the shimmer on top of it to create that shimmery look to it. But I find that the matte colors have really great pigmentation, so we're gonna use a little bit of both. So you'll notice that I used a brush to kind of spread the concealer and a beauty blender, wet beauty blender, to press that in, to really stipple it into the eyelids. So now let's throw some shadow on there. If we stopped right now, we could do an 80s look. All right, so we have our matte colors on. It's time to get shimmery now. I'm sure you can see now the difference between adding some shimmer to this matte kind of eye color right now. Wow, look at those colors. That's so cool. We are looking shimmery around here. So I kind of want to treat this like a mermaid smoky eye a little bit. So we're gonna do black liner and everything as if I had a normal smoky eye on my face right now. Mermaid cat eye. Okay, so we've got the eyes pretty much where we want them to be. Let's move on to the face. I've decided to throw Kat Von D on top of this for more coverage. Okay, now it's time for the fun part. We have come in where the crease is up here. I also want to throw a little bit of pink where blush would be. So basically like my blush will be a mermaid blush. Let's see how it comes out. Ready? Very cool. Very cool. It's like scales. Total scales on my skin right now. I think the blush thing came out kind of cool too. All right, let's keep going. Okay, so we've got our mermaid together. Let's throw our hair into something and see what the final look looks like. So here it is. Here's the final look. I think that it's a little bit of a cross between Ariel and Elsa, if I do say so myself. But hey, you let me know. Throw me a comment. Let me know what you think about this mermaid look. Let me know if you have tried the fishnet stocking technique before and how that worked for you. And lastly, I want to know, what are you going to be for Halloween? Throw me a comment below. I'd love to hear more from you. And please subscribe, stay tuned for more videos like this, and I will see you on the next one.